I will now demonstrate how to find a desired trading pair on one or several exchanges. You have two simple options at the tip of your fingers. You can search the pair with using the buttons or typing the direct command into the chat. Let's first use the buttons. The quick menu under the chat box provides the most frequently used functions and sometimes also current decision options, so you can communicate with Kleopatra swiftly. Click on the home button inside the quick menu below. In chat window you can now see the abundance of buttons in a panel. This is the home menu. It contains all that Kleopatra has to offer to you. You will use it often, so remember where it is. Now, click on the search button in home menu. It is in the lower left corner. When you search with Kleopatra, you can search either exchange or currency. We are going to search the currency at this time. Since we are actually searching for a trading pair, we can search for either fiat or cryptocurrency. In the quick menu below there are a few most frequently searched cryptocurrencies listed for your convenience, but you can search any cryptocurrency by typing its abbreviation into the chat box. However, I won't use these buttons in this demonstration, so I can show you the useful chat commands. Let's type in the abbreviation of the currency we want to find. Suppose this is Bitcoin. Let's type in the abbreviation BTC. Now, Kleopatra shows you all the supported Bitcoin pairs on the different exchanges. This list is so long that wise Kleopatra decided to put it on more pages. You can flick through the pages with arrows below. Let me show you. Now, you can flick through the pages until you find the desired trading pair. That's how you find your pair on the desired exchange with buttons. But of course there is faster option with quick chat commands. When you will use Kleopatra often you will get to know quick chat commands. Those are constructed with a slash and the following word, which is your command to Kleopatra. As demonstrated before, when you search with Kleopatra, you can search either exchange or currency. I will now show you the search with quick chat command, which is simply /search. To search for Bitcoin currency, you will add the abbreviation for Bitcoin. So, to demonstrate quick search, I will type the command directly into the chat. I will enter /search BTC. Here you get the same list as before when we were searching the Bitcoin pairs through the use of buttons. Since you can search the exchange as well, I will just demonstrate quickly that option. I'll type in the command search in combination with exchange. Then you will just flick through the pages to find the trading pair. Let's try now with double arrows as well. These will allow you to move through the pages faster, 10 pages at a time. Because Kleopatra is so effective, you can type in the command to search Bitcoin on specific exchange. Here you can just type in both the exchange and the currency with the search command. However, you need to first enter the exchange which is followed by the currency. Let's try to find Bitcoin on Binance with chat command, that is /search Binance BTC. That's how you'll find the trading pair on the desired exchange with quick chat command. You would think, that's fast. But Kleopatra loves to save time. She has a lot of things to do in her crypto empire, and she wants to navigate the sea of the crypto market swiftly. That's why she invented hotkey commands. Those are even shorter commands which she expects you to use very often. Search is one of them. There are many more, but let's focus on the search right now. So, command /search has a hotkey command /s. Let me demonstrate the search with the hotkey command. You can type the hotkey command to search Bitcoin on all exchanges with entering /sbtc. As before, you can also search the specific exchange and flick through the pages to find the desired trading pair. To the hotkey command /s, you will add the exchange, like Binance. And then use the arrows to find a trading pair on the exchange. I can type in the hotkey command to search Bitcoin on specific exchange. Let's use the Binance again. For that, I will enter /s Binance BTC. As you can see again, this is a list of all available Bitcoin trading pairs on the crypto exchange Binance. That's how you find your pair on the desired exchange with hotkey chat command. Fast, like a Lambo. Right? Scan QR code now to join Kleopatra.